Hi guys, my name's Taija and today I'm playing Flood Escape 2 in Roblox. Let's go. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I'm in the elevator. Okay, so let's start now. Dark side facility. Wow, I know that. That's so awesome. I like it. Oh no. Oh no, not again. I gonna die. Try it again. Oh no, the love's coming. No. Oh, come on. I died. The lava just killed me. I'm not good at this game. Dark side facility. I hate this thing. So what's the next one? Oh my god. This is a little bit hard because later I'm dying again. This is so weird. Okay, wait for me guys. Wait for me. Wait for me. No, don't go. Okay. Oh no. Wait. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I have to survive this. Jump and okay, jump. Okay, jump. No! Oh, come on. No, 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 no. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. No. I'm stuck. My head is stuck. No. Oh, come on. My head is stuck because of the flood. I hate you. I hate you, water. I hate you. You're so weird. Wow, how did the noob is like that? That's so awesome. The noob just glitch. Okay, sinking ship. Okay. I'm going to hear the music. Okay. Okay. I be the one to press the button, guys, not you. Okay. Oh, I found it. Whoa. Oh no, nothing there. Okay, go. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm here. Oh no, I said no. Aw, how many times I died? I hate this game anymore. This game is making me rage. Okay, sinking ship, I died. Oh my. Aaron, what are you doing? Hi. Bye. So, I'm going to watch Daniel Mika. He is not dying anyways. Okay, let's watch him. Okay. Go guy. Don't die, just do the best. Before the lava will never get you. Come on, hurry. Go guy, no, don't die. Oh, come on. You died. Dark side facility again? Oh, I hate this game. This is stupid. I hate this. Okay, there. Where should I go? Maybe in there. Oh no, the lava's coming. No. This game is making me rage. I'm going to smash my tablet. I really hate this game. This game is making me rage and angry. Last one chance. If I died, I'm going to smash the tablet. And I don't like this game anymore. This is making me annoying. Don't die. No. Oh, he died. Okay. Oh no, this is hard too. I don't want like that. Because later I'm going to smash my tablet. One more chance. Oh no, I hate this one. This is so weird. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate this game. What should I do with it? Uh, this is weird. Whoa. What's going on here? It looks so difficult weird. Oh no, no, no! That's it. I'm going to smash my tablet. That's what you get. I'm making I'm making me rage. Oh no, don't go. No. Oh, what happened? Why so many people in the elevator? Oh, come on. Ah. I hate this game because how many times I died. This game is making me rage. Okay. Oh, I hate this game because how many times I died. This game is making me rage. I said that. So let's watch that guy. Oh no, the guy just fell in the water. Oh no. He said lol. Oh, that is kinda weird. Okay, go guy, hurry. Wow, you're so cool. So wait. Did you change your skin? Wait, what? Where's it? Where's it? Oh, this one. VIP. Wait, I'm going to buy like that. Dab 100. Oh my god, I like that. I like that. But I got no enough money. It's 11 money I have. But it's okay. Whoa. Snow picks? What? Are you serious? How did I? Whoa. That's kinda weird. I'm afraid of the flood. Whoa. Jump. Wow. Whoa. That is kinda weird. Later I gonna fall down and I died. Okay, jump. No, 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 no. This is the end. This is the end of me. No. Oh, come on. I hate this game anymore. I'm going to smash my step with a hammer. Yeah, no hammer. Huh? Oh no. This guy will survive, but I'm still dying many times. I hate this game. I hate you. So, let's watch that guy. Yay, the guy escaped, but I didn't survive because I just died. I hate you. So, Snowpix is so hard. Swim up key, space. Press the button. Oh no, this is hard too. Oh my god. This is so hard. But I'm a little bit rage because how many times I died. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let's go swim down in the water because I'm so excited to... Oh no, no. Ah, stupid ice. Oh no. Okay. Wow. Yay. I'm enjoying swimming. Woohoo. Yay. Yay. Oh no, there's a lot of ice. Later I'm gonna die. Everyone, where are you? I'm so slow to swim because later I'm dying. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is kinda weird, but everyone is not here. Oh no. You know what? I'm almost dying. Okay. Goodbye, cruel world. I gonna die because I don't know how to swim. Goodbye, everyone. And I died. I don't know how to swim in the flood. I don't want to swim in the flood. Oh, no, no. Oh, come on. Why don't you wait for me? Oh, stupid game. Oh my god. I can't believe this. How can I beat the easy, insane, and hard? I really hate this game anymore. Okay. This is kinda weird. This guy is not dying. Oh no. Okay. Wow. I just played this one before, but that one is destroyed. See, look at that. Wow. And there's a red sky and there's a lava. Oh no, this guy will die. Do not die. Oh, come on. You died. So, how about that guy? Wow. He's kinda cool because he's not dying because he's a pro. I like you. Yay, this guy is surviving. Oh yeah. How that guy is level 4? Oh no, this is hard. Oh my god, I really hate this game. This is really hard than that. I have to jump in there. I don't want to jump in the acid. Jump. No. Ah. I hate this game anymore. Ah. Oh my god, I can't believe this. How many times I died? This is impossible. I'm confused. Oh no. I hate this game anymore. I will leave the server. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.